Hello students, this is Sir Shankar. Today, dear students, we will start class 7 English chapter 7, the invention of uh, Veda Wong. The invention of Veda Wong. Textbook in English for class 7. So we will see this lesson today, okay? From the it is not from the supplementary but from the English reader. So what is there in this lesson? So, my dear students, who are the oldest people you know? Do you know any oldest people that you have seen? So, like anything, anyone, no? Eldest people. Maybe your grandfather also. Maybe some other house you will find some old people there. Have you find anyone such people who are oldest people? Or what are the oldest things you have in your house? What are the oldest things do you have in your house, or do you have in your city? Do you have in your town? Do you have in your village? Anywhere? Do you have any oldest things? No, in your home also, village also, anywhere? No, city. Then find out. Just if you have, it's good. Then how old are they? How old are they? Some of you will say 110 years old. Some of you will say uh, 200, no, like some of the old trees you will find in your village, in your city. You will find some monuments and all, no, buildings and all, which has which was built many years ago. So all these things you will find out, okay, which one the things, the oldest things we have. Then next, what we have, ever wish, have you ever wished that you were older? Do you wish that you want to become old? Have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? Have you wished that you should grow up in a hurry? Very quickly, no? You should grow. Then, have you ever want this? You are very small and want to grow up and you will become young. Not like that, but quickly, no? To become old. Have you want that wish? Do you have? Okay. What do you have this wish or not? It doesn't. Okay. uh, all these things we will see in this lesson, the invention of Vada Wong. What is this in this lesson? Okay, let's start. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White. He begins by inventing the Wonka White, which makes people very much younger. Okay, which makes, he invented this, something is there, Wonka White, that name is there. He invented this Wonka White. We call it Wonka White. You can see here, this is called the Wonka White, and he invented this, and this makes people younger. But you know what it happened? Wonka white is too strong. It was too strong when he invented. This white was too strong, and some people they disappear. Some people they disappear because of its power, because it is very strong. So some people they disappear because their age becomes minus. Their age become minus. Then one person actually becomes minus 87. One person, when he has taken this Wonka white, he has actually becomes minus 87. His age, then minus 87. Then obviously if he is not 87, his age is not 87, and there will be minus 87, then he will be disappear. Suppose if your age is uh, 90, if your age is 90, and after having this Wonka white, then there will be minus 87, no? So just minus the 87, then how old you will be? You will be 3 years old, right? You will be 3 years old. And in this case, the man will not be disappear. If the age will be 90 and this Wonka white he has taken, and there will be minus 87, then he will be 3 years old, he will be 3 years old. But if somebody who is not 87, like 60 or 50 his age will be, then he will have the Wonka vibe, then obviously he will disappear, right? So that's why, okay, he will disappear. Now, which means he has got to wait 87 years before he can come back, okay? He have to come back how many years? In the same age, no? If he was 90 years, then if he want to get that age back, then he has to wait 87 years, okay? So that is what is there in Wonka White. So Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. Now Mr. Willy Wonka, he was thinking that he must invent a new thing. What the new thing he will invent? He will invent. Let's see. Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set out uh, to work. So once again Mr. Wonka, he rolled out, okay, rolled up his sleeves and he starts walking. So once I squeeze my brain. He was just squeeze his brain, okay, he squeezed his brain, then searching for the new recipe instructions for making something. That is called the recipe, okay. You can see here, instruction for making something. So he was doing this and searching for the new recipe to find this again new thing. I had to create age to make people old. Now he was thinking that it was minus. Now he will make that invention to make people old, not minus but plus. Old, older, oldest, old, older, oldest. Then he is laughing. He was laughing, ha 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 ha. I cried, for now the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? So these ideas now starting. So all these things are coming, beginning to come in his brain, and he was just giving some of the questions to his brain. Then what is the oldest living thing in the world? What will be the oldest living thing? And what lives longer than anything else? What lives longer? He was searching all these things. Then Charlie, one of his maybe his assistant who works with him, then he said a tree. Charlie said a tree. It will be the oldest living thing or lives longer than anything else. A tree. Right. You are Charlie. But what kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the cedar. No, no, my boy. It is a tree called a Bristol coal pine that grows over the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada. So he said that no, a tree, no. So he was asking, so what kind of tree it was? So he has given it not a Douglas fir, a kind of tree, it not the oak, a kind of tree, another, it not the cedar also a kind of tree. So it is, he said, Wonka, he said, it is called the Bristol corn pine, and where it grows upon the slopes of the Wheeler Peak in where Nevada, USA. Where it grows in Nevada, USA, you will find this Bristol corn pine, and it is, he said, it is the oldest tree. You can find British coal pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. He said this tree, even today also we will find in this place, Wheeler Peak, even today also. And this tree, how old it is? 4,000 years old. 4,000 years old. And this is fact, Charlie. This is a fact. He is telling to Charlie that this is fact. This tree is how many years old? 4,000 years old. Then ask any dendrochronologist. He will tell about this, okay. Then look that what word up in the dictionary, when you get home. Will you please? So that started me off. I jump into the great glass elevator and rush all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. So Wonka, he jumped into the great glass elevator and he just run fast, no, rush, doing all over the world collecting. No, he was collecting all the special items that were oldest living things. Now, pine, an evergreen tree with needle-shaped leaves, and cone flea, a small insects living on the skin of animals for their blood. So all these things he was collecting, no, the oldest living things he wants. Then after that, what are the things he has collected? Let's see. A pint of sap from a 4,000 years old British gold pine. That is he want. A pint of sap he want. Like we can say, uh, what he want this. Okay, a pint of sap from a 4,000 years old of which tree? Bristol corn pine. So again he want the toenail clipping from a 160 years old Russian farmer called Petrovich Gregorovich. Petrovich Gregorovich. The farmer's name is that one, Petrovich Gregorovich, and he want that nail of from a part of that nail from this person, Russian farmer, who is 160 years old, who is 163 years old. Okay. Now, what are the things you want? One, it is given a pint of sap from a old, like he wants the juice of this. Okay, uh, he want the juice of this tree. And another point he has said, a nail he want from this 186 years old Russian farmer whose name was Petrovich Gregorovich. And he want an old uh, an egg laid by a 200 years old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. Now it was with the king of Tonga that one egg was there, and that egg laid by a 200 years old tortoise. That egg laid by a 200 years old tortoise. That egg also he wants. Now another he wants that the tail of a 51 years old horse in Arabia. The tail of a, what he want? Tail means pooch. He want that from of a 51 old horse in Arabia. It's which is there. Okay. Now again he wants the whiskers of a 36 years old cat called Crumpets. The name of the cat is Crumpets, and a cat which is 36 years old, his whiskers he want. Whiskers means what, the hairs on near his mouth, no, near his face, that is called the whiskers. So again he want an old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years. And again he want the old flea and which had lived for 36 years. How many years he lived? 36 years. Okay, 36 years. Then afterwards, what is there? Next point, the tail, again the tail of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. Now again 207 years old giant rat. Giant means very big rat from Tibet. That tail Wonka he wants, and it should be 207 years old. And again he want the black teeth of a 97 years old Grimankin living in a cave on Mount Popo what? So what is there? The black teeth of a 97 years old Grimankin living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. So this black teeth he wants, Wonka he wants this black teeth of a 97 years old Grimankin living where in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. There he lived. Then again he wants the knuckle bones of a 700 years old Catalu from Peru. It was where it is in Peru, and that bones, the knuckle bones of a 7 years old Catalu he wants. Catalu, okay, and that bones, the bones, cattle bones, knuckle bones means the bones in our fingers, no, these bones we can say knuckle bones. So this is there in the first part, dear students. The second part I will send you again in the next video, okay. You will can watch it afterwards.